With Aviator Predictor, casino gaming becomes effortless and straightforward. Now, you have full control over airplane movement via our app. Register and download our Predictor Aviator Bot APK for the Android operating system and supports the artificial intelligence, AI, that underpins the Aviator Predictor V04.0 app is designed to provide a reliable forecast of the plane's drop point with 99% accuracy. Utilizing the forecasts provided by the app, you can alter your life. You need to execute simple steps for registration and app activation, then download the APK file for your mobile phone. Our Aviator Predictor Premium app supports mobile devices running on Android and iOS operating systems. As you can see now, you must complete the offers in order for the coins to be sent to you, my dear brother. The method is very easy. All you have to do is enter one of these offers and enter your phone number. Then you will receive a code and enter it for free. Depending on the country, you may find offers to download applications, etc. You must focus and complete 2 offers as shown in the picture, my dear brother, and you will receive the Aviator Predictor APK for free in your mobile phone, Android or iPhone.
And now you should see this page right here that says that the app has been correctly installed. Normally, if it's the first time that you do this, you will see a list of apps here. In that case, just tap to one app, read the instructions that will pop up, and do the instructions inside the app. Don't worry, you don't need to deposit from the App Store and all that, just to prevent the bots and all that. So just do that, and then you will see this page right here. And now you can just close and